In this tutorial, we will see how we can work with particles in Godot 4. So, we will see a very basic implementation of particles in this tutorial. First of all, create a new Godot project, and in this project, in the Scene tab, you click on 3D Scene. Now we have a node 3D scene in our 3D scene. After this, you can click on the Scene tab and press Ctrl A. Here we can search for particle, and you can add GPU particles 3D. And after this, we should also add the environment and the sun to our scenes. So just click on these three dots, which will show us the sun and environment settings. Click on add sun to scene. Again, click on these three dots and click on add environment to scene. After this, we can go to the GPU particles 3D and expand this a little bit. We should go to draw passes and click on pass 1 and select new sphere mesh. So now you can see that in your particle you have a new sphere mesh. Click on process material, click on empty and click on new particle process material. As soon as you do that, you can see that the particles start moving and they start getting animated and getting generated. In this particle process material, you can change a lot of settings for your particles, which will generate different effects for you. Suppose we make the gravity go somewhere else also along with y direction. Suppose I write 9 here. You can see that the particles started moving down as well as towards the positive x axis because I have changed the gravity. So this way you can manipulate lots of things about the particles from this. And now you can also have some collision. Let us say that the particles are rigid so that they can collide somewhere. And let us create a particle collider also. Click on Scene tab, press Ctrl A, and then just search for GPU particle, and you have GPU particle collision, sphere collision box. Let us choose collision box and create a GPU particle collision box. And I will remove the box for now from here. Let us put the box somewhere here at the bottom so that the particles can collide with it. But our particles look very big. First of all, let us change the size of the particles to something smaller. Click on GPU particles 3D, and there should be a scale property in your particle process material. We have a display and scale. You can set a scale of 0.2 minimum, and for maximum scale, if you want randomness, you can use some other property other than 0.2. So you will have random particles, particles which are random in size. It looks good because they are particles. But if you want particles of consistent size, you can choose 0.2 for your max setting also here in the scale property. Now select GPU particle collision box 3D and bring it close to this. You can see that the particles are getting collided from the box, but they are just staying there. So let us make the box go a little bit on the bottom and let us turn it. And now you can see that the particles are colliding with the collider, but they are also moving along the ramp. So that's one thing more that you can do with particles, collide them. You can also create attractors for the particles. So let us create an attractor also. Click on Scene tab, press Ctrl A, and search for attractor. So you have these three types of attractors: GPU particles attractor, box 3D, sphere 3D, and vector field 3D. Let us select box 3D for simplicity and just bring it here. And if I increase the strength to something, the particles might fall on this side, might come this side. Let us increase the strength to something like 64. Particles could now be attracted. But yeah, when I bring this box here, you can see that the particles are being attracted by my attractor. If I increase the size of the attractor, maybe it will work even when it is far away. But yes, the particles should be inside the attractor, then they will be attracted to it. If I move it around, you can see the particles are also moving around. So all these things can be done using particle node, using GPU particle 3D. So this is just a starting step. We can do a lot of many things using particles, and we will see what other things can be done with them. So thank you for watching.